I'm most excited about meeting some new people and making new friends. I just love this school. I love all the teachers and the students. My classmates are kind and the teachers are so supportive.
I'm really excited about helping my kindergartners feel safe and loved, and my goal this year is to make sure everybody learns how to smile every day. The Leader in Me program is to help us build independence for all the students here. And we start from day one in kindergarten, teaching about all of the 8 habits. And they're going to continue the 8 habits as they progress in each grade level.
One time there was some people who needed help, and they were struggling on some class assignments, and I helped them get through the class assignment and they passed.